Welcome to our tutorial on how to open developer tools in an extension in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Look for the More button located at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Hover your cursor over Extensions in the menu. This will open a submenu. Step 4. From the submenu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page. Step 5. On the Extensions page, locate the extension you want to access developer tools for. Click on the Details button for that extension. Step 6. Within the Extensions Details page, find the Inspect Views section. Click on Service Worker to open the developer tools specific to that extension. And there you have it. You have successfully opened developer tools in the extension in Chrome on your PC. Explore and make the most of the powerful tools available for debugging and development purposes. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy coding!